In the last video, as we seen that we have created an edge calculator. Okay, so we made some mistakes, like as I told you that you should use prompt, and in that way you can do it well. So the prompt was not right, and by mistake I made something else that I don't wanted that. So now I just wrote the prompt first. In that way, you can do my work easier. So you see that I asked that these are that option. Some of the mistake it happened while writing it. I was using my voice, but basically it did understand what I want, and it written quite well. Okay, as you can see that logics here. In this, all the things I want to be in my edge calculator. Okay, so the pollution environment and all the information is here. Okay, and for Firebase Studio it also said that how to do it, all the things. And here is the prompt for me written. It said that to create an app using Firebase, name this one, and this is that prompt, like input name optional, gender male female, not to say, and all that. So as you can see that I will copy this code, and I copied that, and I will just open my Firebase Studio. Okay, so I will just open Gemini. Okay, so it is still running, but I will just put the code. I believe it will write that. Okay, I'll just start it. So you see that I have given this, and it said that IDX AI is not enabled for your reason. Stay tuned. Okay, let me again. So let me see what is the problem. Okay, IDX, this one. So IDX AI is not enabled on reason. Stay tuned. Okay, I believe there's something issue here. Just wait a little bit more, and I will see it that is a problem with my tool or something else. As you can see that outputs are it's running right now, storing the SDK. Okay, so this is the file. You can see that whatever is included, like animal calculator and save result, and design model UI with the software around it. So apart from this, I have also made clear for okay, so this is for cat edge calculator. As you can see here, I have made prompt for it, and likewise I did it for all the tools for a dog edge calculator, and same with you can see it's for elephant edge calculator, lion, horse, rabbit, like that I did it. Okay, and so again I will try. Okay, let's see what happens. I think that's the reason, because this was not opened properly. That's what I think. I hope that I'm right. Okay, so I have to just run the command terminal. Okay, it's connecting to that SDK file. So as you can see, this is the design, and before the design it was quite good. This was because of my mistake, and this one was working but was not doing well. So that's something I can say to you. I just hope that whatever prompt I written is right, and even I can make the changes of that, but I didn't. I will just put it auto. I don't want to click again and again, so I just do that. So as you can see that it will write for it, and just wait for a few more minutes, and it would complete. The way showed you to do it, it is the best of way I can think of it, because you already know how to do it. You already write that whatever you need to do it. It might take a couple of hours just to figure out what you really want. Once you have it, just put it all the current point one by one, or you can put it by one, one time. But I prefer that you put it one by one, like a home page, then second page, third page, and that way you can understand much better. Okay, so after doing that, in the end you can just focus on designing because you already know what you want to do. So you just first fix that and then focus on designing. So update again, run the command prompt. So as you can see that there are a lot of changes are happening, and I wanted to add it in once, but I thought I should do it by pages. Let's see how it happens, and later on I will try and see that if I can put everything once and able to create all that or not. But compared to Firebase Studio, I found that using Android Studio is much easier and it will do the job much faster than this one. So I would also recommend that you should go and try that. They have the same functionality as in a Firebase Studio. You see that you can just write that AI to just have the prompt and put it in Gemini. It will do that all the things for you. As you can see that it taking a long time. So refresh authority is not yet authorized. I believe there are gonna be more trouble. But I just have to wait to see. Once it happened, then I would try to put all the things and see that is working or not. I'm using Android Studio for last 2 days, and I found it much better than Firebase Studio. And then I can just tell you that you just go and try to use that. But there's a limitation that there you can only use for Android, not for other devices. From here you can also make application for web and also for Android, both same time. So there's one plus point here, you can think of it. Let me see that here. Here it's saying the error again. That's one thing I found about this tool. It requires a lot of time. If you think that you can easily do that, no, it will require a lot of time for you to run the code. Even then, you get a lot of error again and again. So it is a little bit irritating. If you really want to use this tool, then you need to be ready for that. If you don't know how to code, then this is issue. And if you want to use another AI tools for that, like coding, then it will be much easier. But right now I'm just using built-in function of Gemini and see that I can create or not. You can just see that before we created that application, it was quite great. But if you're not clear about it, then you can make mistakes. So that's why I told you that be clear beforehand. Then make the app, and you can see that taking a long time for it. It will stay like this, I think, for a couple of minutes, and that is really irritating. So here you can see that animal, okay, home screen and inside. So there's only 3 pages, 4 pages are. Here is the search, here are the files. So in a widget you can see there is it. First one screen, two of them, models, two of them. In a web, I believe there's no different pages for that. Okay. So tell that it's really boring if you really want to do that. It requires a lot of time, and it is not that easy. You have to wait, wait and wait. So guys, as you can see that I got error, and the Firebase login is causing trouble. So I have all the thing that I want to do I have written here, and I'm gonna copy all of them. As you can see here, I will copy and I'm gonna paste here. I want to see the what will happen, and just enter. As you can see that I have written everything that I wanted. I'm not sure that how much all that information is there or not. Let's see more. So it's saying that of course I will do it. There's another reason why I did. You see that Firebase login, as you can see here, most of them, you see the Firestore. So all of them that is already there. So if I do that, so they will run again and again, and that's why I have put it all of them together. From the start I wanted to do that, but I did not do that. But now as you can see that it is writing all of them. So all that prompt that I have just use AI tools to create. Now I have put in here, and I believe it will be done in a couple of minutes. As you can see here, there are a lot of changes that happened. So you can see, here you can see also see that what they have added or not. As you can see there, added dog, elephant, all those calculator here, and now they are like they are making some things that I don't know. So as you can see here the codes, how much changes I did not, as you can see here. Okay, now it is doing with the dog edge calculator, and as you can see here there's a two in skins. As you can see there's an animal edge calculator, cat, dog and home skin, and I believe they will create more of them. Let's see in a cat what is there. As you can see in a cat, we are using a material. Okay, and so as you can see there are a lot of things are here. I want to see that how it's gonna look when it's gonna be complete. Okay, so here's there, and as you can see this got a new elephant edge calculator. I think this is writing the code right now. So as you can see done. Now it's a wolf edge calculator. Another page, wolf edge calculator is being made. So like that it would create all of them, as I have added around 4 or 5. So let's see, there's a horse, lion, insects. So they're gonna add all of that, and then again in the functions of Firestore, I hope that they can complete as soon as possible. And that's why I told you that when you are making it, try to put all prompt once, so in that way they take less amount of time, because of most of the things they are gonna generate like this one, they don't take much time. But the thing like some of the file they just build or complete in that time, they cause error. Right now it happen, if you try to do that, then it would fix it and it will consume less amount of time. That's what I believe. I can be wrong. So let's see what happens, and I want to see that it will complete or not, because if it will happen, then next time I will try to use first figure out every single thing whatever I want, and then I'm gonna do it, because I don't want to waste my lot of time. So as you can see it's getting now wolf, snake, lion, insects. I believe it's got a lot of them. Okay, so I fixed that mistake while first I created all the prompts. As you can see here, let me go up. So basically I created prompt from everyone. Let's so from here first I created the human edge calculator. It is the main page. So all the things you see, it is all the functions that should be there, all the things. and I created prompt. Here is a prompt. Okay, so with the prompt I created this page. Then I created many of them for like animals like a cat, dog, and all the prompt is there. You see this prompt. So basically I did copy all the prompt and put it in one page. As you can see here, I have put it all the prompt like elephant, snake, lion, insect, rabbit. So all of them here and all the prompts here basically. So I copied all of them and here I pasted. As you can see that's the result. After you go there, here you see that cat, dog, elephant, wolf, snake, lion, rabbit, snake. So all the thing is done quite easily. Now check first. Let's say I write the name. Gender is optional, so if I click here, there's a drop down button. I'll choose the male. Date of birth, I will choose we go with 1994. Okay, 1952. There's no problem with that. Okay, if I click calculate my age, as you can see the age 22 years old, month. As you can see, heartbeat, breath, travel distance, walked, food eaten, water, stress, hours slept, worry, cell generated, skin renewed. After that is the environment impact, as I talked about last time. So air pollution, water pollution, and like that there are many of them. Okay, so there's option like save my age and set inside. Okay, if I click here save my age, you see it saying the age is saved. Somewhere it might be. I'm not seeing it anywhere. Okay, up I'm not seeing it. Okay, so and there's option share. If you click here, it will basically open the page for you. Okay, so for the web it is there, and Android it is not running right now. It is running but it will take some time. But basically the design here and here both are the same. Okay, now check another cat age. If I click here, as you can see here, they're same, that 8 catch calculator, all the things are similar. Okay, I will just choose any name. Gender female, date of birth I'll choose the 7 days old, 7th. If I click calculate cat age, as you can see it's saying that, and it has same functionality as it is others. As you can see it, environment impact. Okay, save the result, save result, and same way you can go to back to the home page. You can choose another like a dog age calculator, similar. And as you can see here, elephant. Okay, elephant. Now let's go with the insect. In an insect there's another option, like another insect like an ant, bee, butterfly, button. Let's go with the butterfly. Gender female, a name you don't need to add it, just I did it. Like age, if I click calculate insect age, as you can see that it's saying that 13 days, in human years 149 years. All the insights, heartbeats, breath, food consumed, water drink, slept time. Okay, so and distance traveled, time of sunlight, environment impact. So there's different of them. So as you can see that with just that prompt we created this all the things, and that is same with the Android also. As you can see here, it has similar design. And that's why I told you before, if you whatever want, first write in a prompt. Like as you can see here, I written a prompt and I just copy paste and it did all that. If I did it in the first day, then in just 2 minutes the app was complete. Yeah, there's sometimes you find problem like when building that APK, but you try again and again. After half an hour try, I believe you can able to succeed. So now the problem I have left is a design. And this is the biggest problem I can think of, because all the functionality I can easily add, but for design I'm not sure that how should I go for it. I don't have an idea about it. So just check some of UI and UX design for mobile apps and try to gain idea from it. If there's option like a file upload, yeah, there's upload like a drawing images, so you can easily just copy the images and tell them that to make that app like that. So in the next video I'm going to do that. That is all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.